Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best kick scooters for kids. For you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, 6KU Kids Kick Scooter. The scooter which we are discussing now is available in 4 colors. The handlebar of this scooter is in T-shape. It is adjustable in height. You can adjust it between 26 inches to 30 inches. It has 3 LED flashing wheels. The scooter is suitable for children from 3 years to 8 years of age. The extra wide wheels ensure proper stability. The kids can easily use the scooter indoors without damaging the wooden surface. The lean-to-drive system is easy to learn for the children. There is a metal reinforced brake in the rear tire which is an advantage. The wide deck can carry 110 pounds of weight. You can fold it and keep it in a corner when not in use. Thus, the unique design and the 3D light wheels of the scooter make it a good option. At number 4, New Neon Flash Kids Scooter. When you're looking for a minimalistic and lightweight scooter, you can go with this option. It is available in 2 different colors. It consists of neon LED lights which makes it aesthetically pleasing. With the help of proper control through the handle, it is easy for children to steer it in the right direction. The aluminum frame adds to the durability. There is an excellent grip on the deck. There are LED lights in the wheels. The rear wheels have a brake incorporated. The scooter is for kids over the age of 5. The scooter can easily support up to 70 kilograms of weight. All in all, when you're looking for a minimalistic scooter for kids, you can consider this option. At number 3, Mongoose Expo Scooter. With the 12-inch inflated wheels, the next scooter on our list can handle any terrain without any problem. It is available in 3 color options. Moreover, the handbrakes can stop the scooter in no time. The 1-foot deck makes it easy for you to have a child use the scooter. The weight carrying capacity is also 220 pounds, which is a definite advantage. With front and rear brakes, the stopping distance is very short. When you're looking for a scooter for kids, which is suitable for outdoor use as well, you should consider this scooter. At number 2, Razor a Scooter. The minimalistic design of this scooter makes it easy for the kids to ride. The aluminum frame provides it with proper strength. It is available in 2 different colors. The deck design folds easily when not in use. The T-tube structure further increases its durability. The wheels are of 98 mm along with heavy-duty bearings. It means that there will be little to no maintenance in this scooter. There is a rear brake which ensures quick stopping of the scooter. The weight of the scooter itself is just 6 pounds, which makes it suitable for children over the age of 5. If you aim to choose a lightweight scooter for kids, you can consider this option. Finally at number 1, Skitty Scooter for kids with folding seat. Many parents prefer a highly versatile scooter. The scooter which we are discussing now comes along with foldable seats and is suitable for children from age 2 to age 14. The younger children can use the scooter seat, and as they grow, they can fold it to use the deck. That is why it is versatile. It is available in 2 different color options. The sturdy design along with the aluminum alloy construction makes it highly durable. The 3 wheels provide high stability. The lean-to-drive technology makes it easy for your kids to control the scooter. With the disco lights, wheel lights and a flashlight incorporated, it is entertaining for the kids. The wide deck adds to the features of this scooter. With the weight of just 7 pounds, you cannot go wrong with this scooter for kids. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.